3, 2, 1.
Which company purchased YouTube in 2006 for $1.65 billion? The answer is C, Google. What Ernest Hemingway novel was published in 1950, following For Whom the Bell Tolls? The answer is D, Across the River and Into the Trees. In which book does Harry Potter first attend Hogwarts? The answer is C, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. What is the birth name of Daisy Arnaz, who starred in I Love Lucy as Cuban orchestra leader Ricky Ricardo? The answer is B, Desiderio Alberto Arnaz III. Who won the first ever Grand Slam in tennis's Open era 1968? The answer is A, Rod Laver. What vegetable can be used to make vichyssoise soup? The answer is A, leek. What is a baby shark called? The answer is A, pup. In Greek mythology, into what did Athena turn Arachne? The answer is D, spider. Who developed the floppy disk drive for the IBM PC?
The answer is D, Microsoft.
Saint-Tropez, France has been referred to as the playground to jet-setters, fashion models, and millionaires. What former fashion model and actress made the resort world famous in the 1950s? The answer is C, Brigitte Bardot. What is the green pigment in plants? The answer is A, chlorophyll. Which piece has long, slender legs and a flat surface? The answer is D, table. Which tool is used for digging holes? The answer is A, shovel. The dishes tom yum soup, hummus, chicken tikka, and nasi goreng belong to the cuisine of what continent? The answer is A, Asia. Which is the function of the gallbladder? The answer is A, store bile. What is the name of the town in the Sims series? The answer is D, Sunset Valley. In 1975, Tabe Junko became the first woman to climb Everest. Where was she born? The answer is D, Japan. Which video game character is known as Master Chief? The answer is D, Master Chief. How do you say firefighter in Spanish? The answer is A, bombero. What is the storage capacity of a floppy disk originally introduced by IBM? The answer is B, 1.44 MB. What is the unit of information storage in a computer called? The answer is A, byte. What character from the movie Wedding Crashers said you shut your mouth when you're talking to me? The answer is D, Mrs. Croger. What is the name of the economic system in which private individuals and businesses make most of the decisions about investment, production, and distribution of goods and services? The answer is B, capitalism. B. Vengeance 2007 was called Night of. The answer is B, Champions. Which citrus fruit is not orange, lemon, or lime? The answer is A, grapefruit. Which item is used for polishing silver and other metals? The answer is C, Polish. Who wrote On the Origin of Species? The answer is A, Charles Darwin. Which sandwich popular in Philadelphia is made with roasted pork, ham, and cheese on a long roll? The answer is D, cheesesteak. What tool measures the weight of objects? The answer is C, scales. A plant has yellow flowers. What best explains why the flowers are yellow? The answer is B, the flowers of the parent plants were yellow. A boat traveled from a bay into a freshwater lake and brought a non-native plant to the lake. If the new plant adapts to the freshwater environment, which is the most likely consequence in the lake? The answer is B, some native plant populations will decline. In the movie Sweet Home Alabama, what problem does the character Melanie Smuter encounter, which prevents her from marrying her fiancé Andrew Hennings? The answer is D, she is still married to Jake. How many workers were recruited to build the Taj Mahal? The answer is D, about 20,000 workers. Which characteristic of a kitten is an acquired trait due to environmental influences? The answer is C, sharpening its claws. What is the result when you multiply two matrices of incompatible dimensions? The answer is A, matrix product. What economic concept explains why a country will export goods it can produce at a higher opportunity cost and import goods for which the opportunity cost is lower? The answer is C, relative advantage. Which political leader resigned after the Watergate scandal? The answer is A, Richard Nixon. The any other mammals. The answer is A, smell. What do you find on a bedside table? The answer is C. Alarm clock. Which theory suggests that early experiences can influence behavior and mental health throughout life? The answer is A. Operant conditioning. What structure is known as the eighth wonder of the world? The answer is D. Chichen Itza. Aflatoxins are toxic, carcinogenic compounds released by fungi of this. The answer is A. Genus Aspergillus. In which year did the Internet start as ARPANET? The answer is A. 1965. If everything else stays the same in a system with a gas in it, and the gas gets warmer, what will happen to its pressure, generally? The answer is B. It increases. What force pulls bodies with mass together? The answer is D. Gravity. Giselle makes a model using foam balls to represent the events in a solar eclipse. To demonstrate this phenomenon best, the foam ball model should have which characteristic? The answer is A. The ability to revolve around the central ball. What is it called when a cell converts oxygen and carbohydrates into carbon dioxide, water, and energy? The answer is D. Catabolic reactions. What is the separation of compounds on the basis of their solubilities in a given solvent? The answer is B. Fractional crystallization. What are the three types of symbiosis? The answer is C. Mutualism, parasitism, commensalism. About how many days does it take the Moon to make one orbit around the Earth?